Hello and welcome to Professor Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build WooCommerce pages like cart, checkout, or shop page. For example, if you see, I already installed WooCommerce, but I skipped the wizard and I do not have any of these pages right now in my pages section, or maybe deleted, or maybe they are in trash, but somehow I do not have them in my pages section. So if you install the WooCommerce and activated it, then you just have to follow these simple steps. Go to WooCommerce and status. Now here scroll down and all the info is available, like your server, your PHP version, and your WooCommerce version, the database and the tables. All the info will be on this page. But if you go to tools, and here you can see WooCommerce transients, expired transients, orphaned variations, used up download permission, product lookup, terms counts, capabilities, tables, look for pages, WooCommerce, deleted orders. There should be WooCommerce pages. Let's press Ctrl F, pages, press enter, reset capabilities. Yes, create default WooCommerce pages. So here is the button, create pages, and click on OK. It will take some time and will create the pages for you. If you go to pages again, let me open it on a new tab. If they don't exist, then we will make it again. They are already there now. The refund and policy, my account, contact was already there. The shop, checkout, and cart. These five pages are added. Okay, now if we go to WooCommerce and settings, and then advanced, here you can see all the pages are according to their own selections. So terms and condition, let's add it to refund policy, or you can create a new terms and condition page there. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you.